professional singer. I do this as a hobby, so just so you know. Okay, are we all good now? Stressed? No, I wanted to sing two songs, completely different songs about love and completely different styles, which I thought would be fun. But I did want to thank my fabulous accompanist, who's actually been my accompanist for about 30 years. And he is not only my ex-husband, he's my great friend, and he is the music critic of the Groningen Gazette, so it's a really good thing he's a great friend. Jim Ridgewell. Something completely different. How many of you have seen Phantom of the Opera? Okay, so forget all that. That'll sound better.
I've been through it twice.
You said you were going to talk.
I know I lied. Ay, ay, ay. See what? No more talk of darkness. Forget these wide-eyed fears. I'm here. Nothing can harm you. My words will warm and calm you. Let me be your freedom. Let daylight dry your tears. I'm here with you, beside you, to guard you and to guide you. Say you'll love me every winter morning. Turn my head with talk of summertime. Let me be your light. You're safe, no one will find you. Your fears are far behind you. All we need is freedom, a world that's warm and bright, and you always beside me to hold me and to hide me. Share your life with me, one love, one lifetime. Let me lead you from your solitude. Say you need me with you here beside you. Anywhere you go, let me go too. That's all I ask of you.